What's the use of your side mirror if you will not put it on? That is improper. Yeah, not like that. We do like that. We will put it on an RPM of 2.5. Basit lang. O, yan. And matuloy. Udah dah. Balik dah.